say hi to Abu Dhabi and hamstring. Basically, for study session 1, I did like some accounting questions last night and I got all of them wrong. So I think I'm just gonna redo those again until I get them correct. But the thing is, now I know how to do those questions, so I have to practice instead of being overconfident. And then I guess I'm gonna do like a few more questions related to the same kind of question. And yeah, that's gonna be my first study session. So I just, like a while ago, I told you guys that it was so sunny and then it started raining again. But it's fine, I like the rain. Look at how dark it has become. But I actually really like this weather to study, so yay! I think I'm just gonna take like a 5-minute break because I finished doing the 2 questions that I was supposed to do. So I think I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break. Hey guys, so I did redo those questions, but now I think I'm gonna do another question without referring to the answer sheet, like completely on my own, to see if I get the right answer or not. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands, guys. I don't know what else to do. Okay guys, so first study session is officially over. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna pray namaz and then I'm gonna take like a 15-minute break. Oh my gosh, look at that, you can see my face. So I have to get a tooth extracted in like 2 days, so I have to drink medicine for that. Alright guys, so I had lunch and I realized that I took a really long break, so I immediately logged in and I did more questions. I'm kind of sick of doing the same type of questions. I still did not get anything right except for one question. I got that fully correct, so I'm proud of that, but I think that was just easy. But I always keep making very silly mistakes, so I think I'm just going to start studying something else. I kind of wanted to do some economics questions because I studied this thing last week and I want to see if I still remember that. So yeah, because I drink coffee or tea out of the ultimate glass badge, I think we're gonna boycott this. That is my bowl of ice cream. Yes, let's go. Okay, so right now while I'm having this, I'm just gonna go through like some of these notes because they're like very important. To be honest guys, while having this, I did not really read these notes. Instead, I was thinking how bad malt is for you, but I still eat it like almost every day. So I don't know if you guys have like heard this before, but like growing up, I was taught that when you leave your prayer mat open, shaitan will come and pray. And I actually don't know how true is that. I don't know. Okay, I really don't know if it's like a hadith or if it's like something that adults say. I really don't know. Okay, but this is what I was taught growing up, right? So as a little kid, what I did was I would leave my prayer mat open on purpose so that shaitan prays and gets good deeds. Aww. want to be a part of my vlog?
Sure.
Say hi.
Hi. People are judging. Who cares?
Oh my god, our snacks are walking away. So sunny. And Shafa is teaching me how to open a packet of chips, guys. Because I don't know.
Maybe it's like me.
So we're currently in class. And what are we studying though? We're studying management accounting, guys. Hello guys. So I came back from the class. I had lunch and then I fell asleep. And oh my gosh, you guys, it's raining again. Oh my god, I turned the AC on and I fell asleep because it was so hot in the morning. And now it's so cold, I'm literally freezing. So my juniors gave me this chocolate, so I'm gonna have this. And I'm gonna watch like a few YouTube videos on like my weight calculations. Because I suck at that. 6, 7, oh my gosh. Ew, bro. I can't even talk. By the way, I just got my tooth removed. In case you guys are wondering why my mouth like this. Subscribe.